Good morning, students. Class 9 English Reader. Book Moments, Chapter 2 The Adventures of Toto. Till now, you have read that grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. His presence was kept a secret as grandmother always fussed when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. But it so happened that one day grandfather had to leave Dehradun to collect his pension in Saharanpur. So he decided to take Toto along with him. But at the station, when grandfather was producing his ticket to the ticket collector, he got a sight of Toto and classified him as a dog and asked grandfather to pay the fare. As grandfather paid some charge, so he asked that, "Do you charge for other animals also?" Then the ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, prodded it with his forefinger, gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look and said, "No charge, it is not a dog." Let's proceed with the story. When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable, where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent. Apparent means clearly visible, no cause, pulling at a halter. Halter is a belt strap, you can say, which is tied around the head of the animals, and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. Hay is the dry grass which is given to the animals for feeding. Now, grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches. Haunches is a part of hips and thigh which is considered together. And she jerked back. And as she jerked back, she dragged Toto with her. He had fastened onto her long ears with his sharp little teeth. Toto and Nana never became friends. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evenings was a large bowl of warm water given him by grandmother for his bath. Now, as we have seen that now grandmother has accepted Toto, so it was a kind of treat for him during the winter times that grandmother used to give him a large bowl of warm water for his bath. He would cunningly means very cleverly, test the temperature with his hand. Then gradually step into the bath, first one foot, then the other, as he had seen me doing. Now, here me means the narrator who is telling us the story, that the monkey Toto is just copying as what the narrator does, until he was into the water up to his neck. Once comfortable, he would take the soap in his hands or feet and rub himself all over. When the water became cold, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen fire in order to dry himself. If anyone laughed at him during this performance, यानी इस तरह की जो एक्टिविटी टोटो करता था, अगर इसी समय इस पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट कोई हंसता था उसके ऊपर, तो टोटो को बहुत गुस्सा आता था. Toto's feelings would be hurt and he would refuse to go on with his bath. One day, Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive. एक दिन ऐसा हुआ जैसा कि टोटो ने अपने आप को almost boil कर लिया था alive. A large kitchen kettle had been kept on the fire to boil for tea, and Toto, finding himself with nothing better to do, decided to remove the lid. Finding the water just warm enough for a bath, he got in, with his head sticking out from the open kettle. This was just fine for a while until the water began to boil. That means water had not yet started boiling, but as it started, Toto then raised himself a little, but finding it cold outside, sat down again. He continued hopping up and down for some time until grandmother arrived and hauled him. Hauled him means she had pulled, or you can say dragged him with force, half boiled out of the kettle, because the water had started boiling and he was sitting inside that, and it seemed as if he is half boiled. If there is a part of the brain specially devoted to mischief, That part was largely developed in Toto. दैट मीन्स अगर कोई किसी के पास ऐसा ब्रेन हो जो स्पेशली डिवोटेड है कि जितनी मिस्चीवियस चीज़ें हैं उस ब्रेन में हो, वो वैसा ब्रेन डेवलप्ड है टोटो के पास. ही वॉज ऑलवेज टीयरिंग थिंग्स टू पीसेस वेन एवर वन ऑफ माई आंट्स केम नियर हिम. ही मेड एवरी एफर्ट टू गेट होल्ड ऑफ अ ड्रेस एंड टीयर अ होल इन इट. यानी बहुत ज़्यादा मिस्चीवियस था. One day at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. We entered the room to find Toto stuffing himself with rice. As they all entered in the dining room, they saw that Toto was sitting on the table and he was eating that rice from the plate. My grandmother screamed and Toto threw a plate at her. One of my aunts rushed forward and received a glass of water in the face. When grandfather arrived, Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit through a window. We found him in the branches of the jackfruit tree, the dish still in his arms. He remained there all afternoon eating slowly through the rice. यानी वो पूरे दिन उस ट्री पे ही बैठा रहा और वो पुलाव खाते रहा. Determined on finishing every game. दैट मीन्स उसने ये माइंड में कर लिया था कि मुझे ये सारा पुलाव खाना है. डिटरमाइंड टू फिनिश एवरी ग्रेन. एंड देन इन ऑर्डर टू स्पाइट ग्रैंड मदर, यानी उन्हें हर्ट करने का जो डिज़ायर था उसके माइंड में, हु हैड स्क्रीम्ड एट हिम, क्योंकि वो उसके ऊपर चिल्लाई थी. ही थ्रू द डिश डाउन फ्रॉम द ट्री एंड चैटर्ड विद डिलाइट व्हेन इट ब्रोक इनटू 100 pieces. Now he had thrown the plate towards grandmother, but it fell down and broke into 100 pieces. And he was very happy to see that, very much delighted. So he was chattering, the noise, the kind of noise animals make, especially monkeys. Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. Even grandfather realized that. We were not well to do and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes, clothes, curtains, and wallpaper. So grandfather found the Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. He bought him for 5 rupees, but he sold him back only for 3 rupees. Because the kind of mischievous nature Toto was having, it was not possible for them to keep him at their home, as they could not afford the frequent loss they were having of the dish, the clothes, the curtains, and wallpapers. Story by Ruskin Bond. Go through the story. If you find any difficulty, any queries if you have regarding the chapter, let me know in the feedback in our WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you class.